our channel Intellect Coding. Here in this video we are going to make a very simple program to how to find the remainder in the C programming language. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go. So here I'm typing in the comment what we are going to do in this program. Okay, so let me just type in program in C to find the remainder. Okay, so here we can start our program. Okay, starting with the header file has include stdio.h. okay, now main function and put here braces. Okay, here I'm going to declare variables. Okay, let me here declare x and y. Okay, so here let me just initialize the value of x. Let me just initialize to 45. Okay, now here we will be using a operator that is our modulus operator. Okay, so y is equal to x modulus, and we can type here a number by which we wanna divide this and find the remainder. So let me just type here 6. Okay, and now we'll be printing y. Okay, printf the remainder is %t used for the int entity, and now put here y. Okay, and now put here a semicolon. Okay, so this is our very simple program to find the remainder. Okay, now let me just run this program. Okay, here as you can see the remainder is 3. 6 into 7 is 42 and our remainder is 3, that is 45 minus 42, that is 3. Okay, our program is running very well. Okay, so let me just change the value. Okay, let me here declare another variable. Okay, like z. Okay, and now let me initialize z to any number. Let me suppose 7. Okay, and now let me here type z. Okay, so this way you can also do this program. Okay, now let me just run the program. Oops, here we have to give a semicolon. Okay, now let me just run the program. Okay, here as you can see the remainder is again 3. Why? Because 7 into 6 is 42 and remainder is again 3. Okay, now let me just change the values. Okay, let me type in here 52 and here as 10. Okay, now clearly we can see the answer must be 2. Okay, now let me just run the program, and here as we can see the remainder is 2. Okay, so this is the way how you can find the remainder. Okay, hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.